Hi guys, welcome to my channel Trendy Unboxing. In this video, I'm going to give my first impression and review of Parle Platina Nutricrunch Lite Crackers. But before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. So guys, this is the packaging of Parle Platina Nutricrunch Lite Crackers. On the front side of the packaging, they have given the Parle logo and they have mentioned Platina. They have also given the image of these crackers. Then in the big letters, they have mentioned that Nutricrunch and also they have mentioned Light Crackers. This cracker biscuits doesn't have sugar and it doesn't have artificial colors. Also, it has zero trans fat. This biscuit is best for the people who have diabetes. Similarly, young and other old age people can also have this because the taste wise this biscuits is not that good but you can have it normally. People who have diabetes can consume these on a regular basis rather than having the biscuits which have high calories and sugar. The information which is given on the top side of the packaging, same is mentioned on the left and the right side. Now let's see what is there at the bottom. On the bottom side, they have given the packaging date along with the batch number. They have also given the FSAI license number along with the barcode. This product is vegetarian product because we can see the green logo over here. Then they have given the net weight which is 100 grams. This product is manufactured by Parle Products Private Limited and they have given the address of the different factories that they have in India. They have also mentioned that this product is best before 6 months from the date of packaging. They have also given the nutritional information that is energy 467 kcal, fat 15.6 grams, saturated fat 7.2 grams, mono unsaturated fat 6.8 grams, poly unsaturated fat 1.6 grams, trans fat 0 gram, cholesterol 0 mg, then protein 9.3 grams, carbohydrate 72.3 grams, and of which sugar is 0 grams. These cracker biscuits from Parle directly competes with the Britania cracker biscuit which is available for same rupees 15. Now let me open this pack and show you how this cracker biscuit looks and how it tastes. This is how we open the packaging. As you guys can see on these crackers, there are holes and they have mentioned Parle Cream Cracker Biscuit. Now let me break this and see how it tastes. Guys, I have tasted this biscuit and I will definitely give a thumbs up because taste wise it is really good. And it is crunchy and tasty. So guys, you can definitely give it a try and see how it tastes because my taste might be different from yours. So you can give it a try and let me know your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. I will surely make time to answer your queries and questions. Before ending this video, I would like to inform you guys that we are a community and to support this community we need subscribers. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.